What's going on, guys? So the first thing we're going to do in this episode is find out if these tires rub whenever we drive it. I did roll the fenders. I used the socket just to roll right in here, which did give me a decent amount of clearance. And I got all my lug nuts now. So let's see if they rub. We got rubbing there. It catches just a little bit on that front passenger side. There's the clearance issue we're dealing with. What I'm going to do is just take an extension and work it down through here. Alright, so we got good clearance here now, not gonna lie. Busted out the hammer, didn't use the dolly. Just pounded away at it a little bit. And as far as I was concerned, as long as I wasn't messing up the very outer line, which is really gonna be seen, not worried about it. Yeah, in here, looks a little bent up, not much. That doesn't bother me. Let's back this thing out and see if it rubs. I don't know what all's going on here. I think I might have front bearing issues, because there's a heck of a wobble. Listen for rubbing. No, it didn't rub there. I don't think I'm going to have any wheels fall off. Uh-oh. Smells like something's getting a little hot. Something definitely smells like it's getting hot. Man, this thing feels rough. Emergency brake on. The whole front end just feels like it's swaying around. I don't know if that's normal for a 65 Mustang. We'll pour her in the garage. I mean, she's running good enough that I'd feel comfortable taking her on the back roads around here, out in these beautiful cornfields of PA. But I'm gonna jack the front end up and see if these wheel bearings are all right. Real quick, just for good measure, before I jack this thing up, we're gonna beat this in just a little bit further. I know, it's strange. You've witnessed me meticulously rebuild the entire back half of this car and get the quarter panels on perfectly, just to see me pound in a small amount of sheet metal on the inner fenders without a care. And honestly, that's what it is. It's just pure honesty of a man at his wit's end that just wants to drive this car. So I hope at least some of you can resonate with that. Passenger side's good and tight. Dang it, Bobby. See if you guys can see that. I doubt it. Not a good situation. I inspected these bearings. I mean, I pulled them out, I packed the bearings, put them in, inspected them. Everything looked good. So I'm hoping this is an issue of me not having this spindle nut tightened down enough. I think I could argue I didn't even have that hand tight though, because I just tightened it a little more there. Now I do know that you don't want to have these too tight because it can cause damage, but that right there was just a little too loose. All right, that wheel is a lot tighter. Oh, what's going on, guys? The last couple weeks I've been coming up to the farm just picking parts left and right off of this parts car. Hopefully the windshield washer nozzles are on this thing because I don't have mine. They are here on this one. Not as in good as condition as the ones that were on the Iron 6. I was stupid and took the ones off the Iron 6. And I ordered a windshield washer kit from CJ Pony Parts, and I thought that they were included, and I think I threw the old ones away because I'm stupid. Of course, these screws are rusted in there real good. I made a quick trip up here to grab these, and I do not have the proper supplies to remove these. So I'm either going to make my own or wait until I can get up here or order new ones, but I really don't want to do that because I want to take this thing in to get inspected ASAP. I feel like if I took it to a good lick it and stick it place, it wouldn't even matter, but I just don't want to get it in there and find out that it's not going to pass because I don't have those. That'd be real frustrating. So at this point, to be continued. Oh, there's my current fix for the windshield wiper fluid line. Just ran the new line up here and used the T from the old line, melted that little T together, so now it just shoots straight onto the windshield. So everything's about ready to go. So we're gonna drive it down to the local gas station and fill it up. Ready to rock and roll, mama? At this point, my biggest concern, wheel bearings. There's just something about the idea of a wheel falling off, you know what I'm saying? Odometer's working, so that's good. Well, she's officially on the road. We're headed down to the gas station, which fortunately is like not many miles. Man, she's got a heck of a... She's bumpy. Yeah, that front. There's something wrong with that front passenger tire. I don't know what it is. I might have a warped brake drum. On that fender, I'm gonna have to roll that fender in, but I've checked it enough times. I don't think the wheel's gonna fall off. Idling goes, she's idling great now. When you hit the brakes, she wobbles. And my fuel gauge works, so that's good. Works some anyway.